In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete clients from your Fresha dashboard efficiently. Whether you're spring cleaning your client list or managing recent changes, this guide will help you do it smoothly and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, we'll navigate to your Fresha dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a selection of icons here. Among them is the smiley face icon, which represents your clients. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked on the smiley icon, you'll see a menu appear on the left. From this menu, select the option labeled Client List. This will lead you to your comprehensive archive of clients essays. Here you'll find all the client profiles that you've interacted with, an organized, detailed repository at your fingertips. Take a moment to appreciate how easy it is to access the information you need. As you scan through the client list, you might be deciding which profiles need to stay and which ones need to go. For instance, you may see inactive clients or duplicates that could be cleaned up. To delete a client, look for the checkboxes next to each client name. These checkboxes are your first step in selecting the profiles you wish to delete. Now, carefully select the checkbox of the client or clients you want to remove. Remember that this action will permanently delete the selected profiles, so double-check to make sure you're selecting the right ones. Once you're confident about your selection, glance over to the right side of the screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Delete. Click on it to proceed with the deletion process. At this point, Fresha will prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you truly intend to delete the selected client records. This step is crucial for preventing accidental deletions, so take a moment to review your selection one last time. If everything checks out, confirm your choice by clicking Delete again. And just like that, you've successfully removed a client from your list. It's an uncomplicated and straightforward process that helps keep your records up to date and relevant. Thank you for joining me today to learn this essential skill on Fresha. Keeping a tidy, organized client list will streamline your workflow and create more space for engaging with your active clients. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy management.